We recently received a shipment of shoes from Seekway Water Shoes. So it's time to take them out of the box and get ready to give them a try in the water.
So these are the men's size, or this is...
Those are the men. That's my men's.
Ooh. So no ties, just this type of fastener. And the bottoms is just, it even has like a toe grip thing. And this, ooh, look at that. These are snazzy. So nice, has a padding right here. So, and then a nice grip on the bottom. So this has a mechanism that you hold this part, you squeeze here, and it releases the tension, and then you can adjust it to where you want it to be. And then I put it underneath just to keep that from flapping.
So we had a chance to use these Seekway Water Shoes at the beach, which is one of the places you can use them. We'll talk about other opportunities to use them. We're going to talk about a few of the features about the shoes. So they are fairly light.
Yes, very light.
Yeah. The top of them is a spandex fabric upper. On the bottom, you've got a rubber sole. There's, I'm not sure if it'll show up in the video, maybe you can get a little closer. There's drainage holes, so as water gets in the shoe, there's a way for the water to get out so it doesn't build up in the shoe, so that's kind of nice. There's protection built into these shoes. At the top, you've got a toe cap that keeps your feet protected from sharp objects and provides extra cushion. I think you noticed the toe protection when you were at the beach.
Yeah, I have shall we just say unusually long toes?
Yes, you do.
So I always worry about my toes cramming up into shoes, and I didn't have a problem here at all.
Yeah. Some other features, they're non-slip, so you've got good grip even when you're on slippery surfaces.
They're easy to carry. They have a little pull-up to get it over your heel. Very easy to adjust on your feet. It has a nice little mechanism that presses down, releases, and you can adjust. They're not tight. I didn't feel any tightness on my feet at all. I think it's very giving, given that it's got the spandex on the top. And the lacing is very adjustable, so it doesn't bind on your foot at all.
Yeah.
I didn't have a problem.
Yeah, I thought mine in particular had, a snug enough fit, so there was no slippage.
No.
It fit nice, and it was, I always like to have something on my feet at all times, which is one of my quirks. So even in the water, something like this, something I appreciate because I do like having things on my feet.
Well, especially for water, if you're outdoors and in water. You can use these for the beach. You can go to the river with it. You can be at a swimming pool, a bathhouse. If you're on a boat somewhere, they're all nice grip for boating.
If you're out hiking, you're going to come across places with water. We've been to waterfall hikes.
Yeah.
This might be something that you take at a waterfall hike that's going to
take off your shoes and put these on. Give you some grip. Anywhere there's water, basically.
Yeah. Water parks, rafting, wakeboarding, tubing, canoeing, fishing, all kinds of opportunities where a nice water shoe comes in handy. And I think you mentioned bathhouses or the campground.
Right.
That's always one of the musts that we take with us when we go camping, is because every now and then, we go in those showers, and I don't step in those showers unless there's something like this on my feet.
Yeah, because you do worry about fungal infections and things like that.
Yep.
And there's several people that go in there, so you do have to be careful.
Seekway Water Shoes, we like them. we'll have a link to where you can buy the shoes at the bottom of the video description. And when you go to the Seekway storefront, or where the link is going to take you, there's about 40 different colors and designs.
Oh, yeah.
So if you want
this one.
if you want light, if you want dark, if you want something fun, multicolor, they probably have something for you. Again, about 40 different designs to choose from.
Lots of designs.
And lots of sizes. So that's our take on the Seekway Water Shoes. It's a new addition for us, and it'll be coming with us to water places.
It will be coming with us to water places. It's
Yeah.
also, I just washed them off to get the sand off, and it's already drying. There's no more dripping water out of it, so that was pretty quick. I'm sure if you put it in a dry spot and let it sit for an hour, it's probably going to be completely dry.
Yeah. So water shoes, something that should be in every traveler's kit of stuff. Hopefully this has been informative for you, and if you don't have a water shoe, the Seekway Water Shoe is a good choice to consider. So thanks for watching. As always, appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, ding the bell, and we'll see you next time at
The places where we go.
Bye.